Learntor Cohort 3 is here. Did you miss Learntor Cohort 1, Cohort 2? Cohort 2 was a huge astronomical success. We recorded 2 success stories before the time was up. One person got 3 job offers: Scrum Master, Project Management Officer, and there's another Scrum Master. So it was like, okay, which one should I take? And he said it was 2 days short of 1 year that he has been unemployed. What are we bringing to you? We're training you in data analytics, business analysis, project management office, and we're training you Agile Scrum, plus the mama of it all, Scrum.org Professional Scrum Master, where it is, you know what the price is. But with Learntor is a combined program that we bring to you because we are here to bridge this digital skill gap for Africans. What are you waiting for? The link is scrolling right there.